Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to create a Google Drive photo collection now. First, sign into your Google account and confirm storage availability so uploads won't fail. Once done, open Drive and create a new folder with a clear name for these photos. This organizes everything. Make sure sharing defaults are set to private until you're ready. If you have many files, plan to use the desktop backup and sync tool. It accelerates transfers and preserves folder structure for simpler management. Now you'll transfer and sort the images. Drag and drop smaller batches in Drive or run backup and sync to upload entire folders without manual clicks. As files arrive, create logical subfolders by date, event, or subject, so retrieval is instant. Tag or add descriptions to key files for searchability and apply consistent file naming like yimmdd event. If you're tight on storage, convert RAW to high-quality JPEG first. This reduces space while keeping useful detail. Monitor the upload queue to confirm completion. Finish by securing access and backups. Share the folder with specific people or create a link. Choose view, comment, or edit permissions depending on collaboration needs. Once shared, enable offline access for essential folders so you have local copies. Also, verify that a secondary backup exists, another cloud account or external drive, for redundancy. If something goes wrong, check the most common issues: file size limits, network interruptions, or exhausted storage quota. Resolve those and retry the failed uploads immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.